Hi, welcome to another video in our Markdown series. In this video, we're going to look at links. Links are also important when it comes to writing documents, and there are times that you don't want, maybe you have a very messy link, a very long link, but then you want to make it neat enough and not distract anybody from the content that you have in the list. So Markdown allows you to format that neatly, and that is what we're going to look at in this particular lesson. So let's get to it. To create a link in Markdown, what you need is two things. Pay attention here. We need a square bracket, that is the opening and closing square bracket. Then whatever text that you want to showcase, not the link itself, the text that you want to showcase. So assuming I want you to visit my website, and I want to write the name of my website, or just say my website. Say I want you to visit my website, and I write my website. This means that this is what will show to the user when they click on it, for them to be able to click on it. Then the next thing is for me. So please pay attention. Initially, I started with the closing and opening and closing square bracket. Then I put the text I want to appear inside the bracket. Then outside the bracket, I open the parentheses. So now you can see on this side, this has already turned into a clickable text. Even though, so that's a hypertext, even though we are here to add any link, but then you go on to add the link itself. So the URL itself, you're going to put it within the parentheses. So we say https:// then say learninbits.com. And now if anybody clicks on this link, it's going to take them to Learning-Bits. If you check down here, when I hover on it, you see that http learninbits.com is written there. And when I click on it and I open, you see that it is going to Learning-Bits. All right. In the same way, if I want to say add Google to my page or the document I'm creating, I'll say Google. Then I'll pass maybe https://google.com. So in here, inside the parentheses is the actual URL that you want, but then inside the square bracket is what you want the people to see. So I can put whatever I want in here. You're allowed to do that, and it appears exactly as you want it without necessarily showing the link. So once again, to create a link, you need a square bracket and you need a parenthesis. And inside the square bracket is a text that will show to the user, whilst inside the parenthesis is the actual link that you want them to visit, or the URL that you want them to visit. I hope you're enjoying this set of series. If you like the videos, please keep watching because I have more in stock for you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.